Confluence, the premier workforce management platform, has the power to unlock the potential of teams everywhere with brand new capabilities that improve collaboration within organizations and with external partners. We're thrilled to announce the recent addition of native whiteboards and databases, as well as our partnership with portfolio company Hypothesis. Our whiteboards are built natively on the Atlassian platform and offer the ability to brainstorm freely with sticky notes, shapes, stamps, stickers, timers, and a pen. Furthermore, our databases will enable teams to connect and organize Jira tasks, Confluence pages, due dates, and statuses into one structured table that updates automatically in real time. Additionally, with the new Chrome extension app built through our partnership with Hypothesis, users can comment and mention team members directly on web pages just as they would on Confluence pages. Teams now have an efficient way to address feedback, typos, and discuss new edits to competitors' pricing pages, all stored in one place. We're also introducing the ability for users to securely collaborate with external parties such as contractors and agencies. Every paid Confluence user gets 5 external guests to their platform, as well as the ability to share content via public links, which allow directed sharing of content on the internet. Last but not least, Confluence users can also opt into Atlassian Intelligence, a generative AI technology that summarizes meeting notes, provides instant definitions of company-specific jargon, and answers work-related questions. In summation, Confluence's team-oriented environment has been designed to bridge the gap between information, ideas, and team members. With these new announcements, Confluence users can expect streamlined collaboration, particularly with external partners, that is secure and effortless. Whiteboards are set to go into beta in July of 2023, with the database beta set to begin by the end of the year, and the Chrome extension and public links available this October. We strongly believe that great achievements are impossible alone, and with Confluence, teams everywhere are ready to unlock their full potential with the power of collaboration and communication.